Hey guys, welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I feel so weird. Alright, so welcome to my video. For this video I'm gonna be putting on a wig because as you can see I'm bald. I cut off all my hair because it's time to start over. So for this video I'm gonna be putting on a wig that I got off of Amazon. Hopefully it comes out looking good. I have yet to open it. This is the box. This is not really my first time installing a wig on my own, but I mean I'm still a beginner, so let's put this wig on as a beginner. So this is the wig. It comes with a wig cap. Comes with this wig cap, which I don't think I'm gonna use. And this is the hair. This is 20-inch, 13 by 4. That's what it says. Let's see what it's giving. So this is the wig. And this is the lace. I think I'm gonna bleach the lace, not gonna lie. Oh, and that's the baby hair. All these little curls coming out is supposed to be like, you know, the baby hair for it. So this wig is 180 density, kinky curly edges, hairline 13 by 4, front, lace front, HD transparent lace frontal, glueless. It says, okay, so it says it's glueless, right? So if that's true, I shouldn't have to use glue. Let me try putting it on first. Okay, well clearly we're gonna have to do some customization because I'm gonna bleach it because what the heck, I don't like the way that this is looking. So I'm gonna bleach it and come right back. I feel like bleaching is a whole thing. If you guys want to see me bleach it, you guys could see that in another video because I'm not doing that all. I'm not doing all that in this video. So as I said, I'm gonna go bleach it and I'll be right back. Hopefully I don't fuck it up by bleaching it. So okay, so I just washed it and bleached it. I didn't leave the bleach on that long, only for like 7 minutes or so because I'm scared to over bleach. I don't want to over bleach. So, and I plucked a little bit. I'm not a pro at plucking. I'm still learning how to pluck properly. So yeah, I didn't do this side, only plucked this side because I'm gonna do a side part and then you're only gonna see the edges right here. Not so much here, it's gonna be covered. I love the hair though. I blowed it out and stuff so it's puffy like this. I love the puffy look. I don't like the curls, the deep curls. No. Maybe one day, but no. So yeah, it looks cute already. I didn't even like do anything really. So now, as I said, I barely bleached it. Okay, so now I have this lace spray, Catch and Dust, this lace tint by Ebin in the shade Cool Deep Brown. I didn't know that this wasn't my shade. Look at it. It's not my shade. But I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna put makeup on the lace. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue cutting the lace. I'm gonna use this one first, which is Bold Hold for oily skin. Bold Hold Active for oily skin. Hold on. This is the first glue I'm using. Can you see? This is the first glue I'm gonna use, and basically I'm gonna lift this up, I put this right at the hairline. Oh yeah, and by the way, I didn't use a wig cap because I feel like wig caps are not necessary. It's not needed, in my opinion. So, starting all the way from the ear, we're gonna put glue there. We're gonna use a blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry. So after I use the blow dryer in the cool setting, I make sure the glue is clear. Ignore that pimple. I make sure that the glue is clear before I put on another layer. So Ideally you would want to put like, I'm pretty sure a good amount of layers is like 3 layers. So this is the second layer. I'm gonna cut the lace now, but some people say, honestly, I don't know what to do. Some people say to use this, or some people say to go in zigzag motions. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna use the spray now. I'm using the Evans Got to Be spray. I have the Ebon one, but I have it in red. I don't know if the red one is good or bad. I really don't, so I'm not gonna use it. I mean, what should I do? If I use a spray, I don't want it to like, you know, get on the edges. How about this? I use a spray on this. I'm gonna kind of tap it in there. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna put this on because I feel like it's not gonna stay down. While that's holding, I'm gonna put makeup on the hairline. This is what the girlies recommended, so that's what I'm using. So it's the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation 3D. This one says 15. I don't know what 15 means, but I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade. This one. And then I'm gonna just paint it. I'm gonna try cutting the lace now. I said try because these edges are low-key in the way. Alright, so I was struggling with my hairline, but I'm back. I put some makeup on the hairline. I used the Got to Be spray, was giving me issues, but now I just have to fix here, put more Got to Be there, tie it down, and then I think after that we could do edges. This side doesn't matter because it'll be covered. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it. Okay, so I forgot where I left off, but I mean, I glued it down. It's not perfect, but it's gonna be covered, so I don't care. And I tried cutting the edges right here, but I keep losing them. Oh my gosh. Because man, oh man, this gave me a whole lot of problems. I feel like this is mad ew, like, I don't like it. Why do it look like that? This looks crazy. Yo, I need a new edge control type thing. Alright, so I had to glue this shit back down because it's giving me problems. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm gonna glue it down again and then try to do the edges, and then we're done. So I'll record that and then that's it. Alright y'all, so this is how the final product looked. Ignore the hair. I don't feel like taking it out. It's really puffed out. But I know I just gotta spray with water and it should be good. But this is what the lace looks like. I didn't do this side, so we're not gonna look at that side. But I need a new baby hair gel thing because I don't know what's going on there. But it's okay. This is how it came out. Thank y'all for watching me, even though I was struggling to put this wig on. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. and I'm gonna try to do a way better video of a next installation of a wig, because this one was giving me such a hard time. This is like the third, fourth wig I've installed in my head, and I'm like struggling. So yeah, so this is how it came out. It's cute. I'm wearing a little bun or whatever. It's cute. But yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, all of that. And yeah, that's it. Bye.